Hero GoPro 7 comes with a 12 megapixel camera, 4K with 60 frames per second recording support. It can go up to 33 feet underwater, good voice control, the touchscreen is so good. When compared to previous versions, it can go up to 8x in slow motion, GPS, HDR, and you can see in all the promotion videos the HyperSmooth thing, which they are talking much about this Hero 7, and also it supports live streaming. Hero 7 comes with a lot of accessories. Let's see it shortly. As you open the box, you can see there is a small card which has all the information which helps you in installing the battery, connecting the charger and all those stuff. There are two GoPro logos which you can use to stick it on your laptop or wherever you wish. It also comes with the product and safety information, which is good to go through if you are a first time GoPro user. And once we go deep in, you can see like the accessories which comes with Hero 7. We are provided with a USB-C cable, two 3M stickers which you can use to stick on your helmet, bike, etc., and a battery. The logo is on the left side. The build quality is so good, you can feel the smoothness in your hands, and to the right you can see the power button and the mouse switcher. In the bottom you can see the voice recording space and also the battery casing. You should open that to insert your battery in the bottom. That's where you insert your USB Type-C cable to charge your GoPro. Let's install the battery. Press the button and open the below container and then gently insert the battery into the space provided. Ensure it is properly set. And as I inserted the battery, you can see a small LED flashing there. Turn it on, click on the top button or on the button on the right. So here goes the initial steps which we need to follow. Choose a language of your choice. I am choosing English, and you should agree to the terms and conditions. You can either turn on the GPS or turn it off to save battery. It's a bit difficult to tap on the smaller screen as you are used to smartphones, but the touch is really good and so sensitive. Since I haven't installed the SD card, it shows no SD card. These are the accessories which you get with your GoPro Hero 7. Two 3M stickers, a USB Type-C cable, and outer casing with screw. And this is the manual which helps you in installing the battery, connecting the charger, and also helps in mounting the sticker on top of your helmet. Please go through it to do the initial steps. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.